Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Merrill Lynch on iPhone, secure access step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the App Store icon. Tap on the App Store to open it. In the search bar at the bottom, type Merrill Lynch and hit search. Look for the official Merrill Lynch app in the search results. Tap the Get button next to the app to download and install it. Once the installation is complete, return to your home screen and find the Merrill Lynch app. Tap on the app icon to open it. On the welcome screen, you will see a login option. Tap on Login to proceed. Enter your Merrill Lynch account number in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the app to remember your login details, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, tap the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your investments and access various services offered by Merrill Lynch. Always ensure that you log out of your account when finished for added security. To log out, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner. Select Logout from the menu options. You have now successfully logged into your Merrill Lynch account on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.